Welcome back! Last time we toured the builder. Now, let's actually build something. In the next few minutes, we'll generate a complete page with AI and then refine it with Buddy without touching a single menu. From the Pages panel, hit Generate Page with AI. Enter your page name and notice the URL fills itself in as you type. You can pick one of the pre-built prompts or write your own. Describe what you want, like you're telling a designer. Be specific about the vibe, the sections, the purpose. Then hit Generate and let it work. And there it is, a full page. Hero, sections, real structure matched to your store's theme and brand. This isn't a template. It was built from your prompt for your store. But no first draft is perfect. That's where Buddy comes in. Open Buddy and look at this plus icon on the left. This is how you give Buddy context, and there are 3 ways to do it. Files, for images. Target, to point at a specific block on the page. And Data Source, to pull in your real products, categories, and catalogs. Think of it this way. Buddy can do a lot on its own, but the plus icon is how you tell it exactly what to work with. Let's try Target first. These 3 images look nice, but they're not our products. So I'll target this block. Now I just ask Buddy to swap them in. Then open Data Source and attach 3 real products from our store. Give it a moment. Done. And every change Buddy makes comes with this choice: keep it or undo, which puts the previous version right back if it isn't what you wanted. These are our products, so we keep it. Now let's try the CTA. For images, you can attach one you already have or generate a new one right here under Files. Let's generate. Now I'll attach it to Buddy's context and ask it to use that as the background. Not quite. The image isn't centering properly because its ratio doesn't really fit this block. And that's fine. This is exactly what undo is for. So, one click back to where we were. Now a different approach. Instead of handing Buddy an image, I'll just tell it what I want and let it generate one itself. And look at that. Right ratio, properly aligned, and it matches the store. So that's 3 ways to work with images. Attach one you already have, generate it first and then attach, or just describe it and let Buddy handle the whole thing. Keep it. Now, hover over any block and this little tray shows up. Every block-level action lives here. Add a new block or an AI block right below this one. These arrows move the block up or down. Duplicate makes an instant copy. And this one, View Code. If you want to see exactly what Buddy built or tweak it by hand, it's right there. Nothing is locked away. This AI icon sends the block straight to Buddy with its context already loaded. It works just like Target, minus the pointing. And Delete does exactly what you'd expect. And you don't need AI for every little change. Hover over any text and this edit icon appears. It opens a drawer where you can rewrite the text, change fonts, colors, the quick manual stuff. So that's your day-to-day editing. Buddy for the big moves, this drawer for the small ones, and code when you want full control. One thing to remember, nothing is saved until you hit save. When the button lights up, you've got unsaved changes. Save, check it in preview, and if it looks right, distribute. Your page is live. Every time you publish, Orderain saves a checkpoint right here. Rename them, bookmark the ones that matter, keep your own system. You can even create a snapshot anytime by hitting Save Current Version. And if a change doesn't land the way you hoped, one click, you're back to the version that worked. So experiment freely. Nothing you do here is permanent. One prompt, a few sentences to buddy, and a finished page. Next video, your catalog and dashboard, where all this data actually comes from. See you there!